a few. Come on. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Come on. There you go. That's a good one. There you go. Happy camper. I should keep some in my hand. You would think I would know by now. Put a few in my pocket. No matter how many are on the ground, don't stay in there. They're gonna come up there. Alright, there you go. Oh, they're all starting to come over now. Very peaceful this morning, especially after some bad storms we had last night. There were some really bad storms came through yesterday. We always worry about the squirrels. A lot of them are hunkered down pretty good. We generally try to look around to see if any babies fell out of any nests. But generally, when they come in, like last night about 10 o'clock, you can't see anything, especially back there in the dark and in the rain. So we look in the morning, but if any babies would have fell out, they would not have made it. But luckily, we haven't found any, so I don't think there were any little babies, because we have so many little ones here, about a couple months old, so hopefully no babies had to endure that storm. This is Squirrel Highway right there. These two trees are where they come down, generally land on the fence, make their way down. We got about 4 or 5 water stations on the ground, and say 3. We got the nut hut right there in the middle. We got 2 baskets also up there full of pecans, and then just a ton on the floor. Besides all the bird stuff up there, you see we got 2 hummingbird feeders, or 3 hummingbird feeders, a regular bird feeder, or 2 bird feeders for the, I guess, finches, blue jays, cardinals. We get a lot of cardinals here, and blue jays and woodpeckers. We got a little bit of everything back here. And they'll start making their way. Generally about now, I'd say it's about, oh, who's that there? Where you going? Thought that was Speedy at first, but it's not. Somebody else from across the street. It's so peaceful back here. Good place to kind of breathe a little. Oh, big jump back to the trees. You got spooked by the birds. Blue jays always spooking the squirrels. But the big rush still hasn't come yet. I think we're a little early for the big rush. It generally starts around 8. I'd say it's about 22, or let me see, I don't know, I got my watch. It's 25 to 8. It's early. Oh, who's that? Yeah, Speedy. Speedy, here you go. Here. I don't know if these are good ones, Speedy. Come on, you want to take it? Here comes Speedy. Look. Speedy, did you get it? Is that a good one? All right, look at that. We gave me a visit from Speedy. That means she'll be back about 6 or 7 times. Oh, there's a blue jay. Going down for a peanut. Got one. Yep, there she goes. Everything is waking up. You see all the birds. I mean, we got lots of birds. Yellow finches, cardinals, plenty of squirrels. Big jump. A little bit of everything. Chipmunks. They like to take everything. Oh, blue. We got a little one over here. Cardinal. Just about everything back here. The birds singing, they're happy. And the squirrels are out. They're starting to make their way. Oh, hey, easy guys. Got a lot of scrappers here. All rambunctious young squirrels trying to make their mark. Who's that? Is that you, Speedy? Speedy! You're back again? Alright, here. Here you go, Speedy. There you go, Speedy. Is that a good one? Speedy. Speedy lives across the street. Comes a long way. He's checking it out. All right. He's going to bury it. Look. Speedy's going to bury. Speedy, you burying it. Speedy. Oh, he wants another one. All right, I got one more for you here. Oh, it's a small one. I know you don't like small. Let me see what else I got here, Speedy. Speedy. Oh, this is a bigger one. Speedy, here you go. All right. You gonna bury that one too? Come on now, Speedy. Speedy's burying all of them. I better look for some more for Speedy now because I'm out. Let me see. Is this a big one here? That's a big one. Speedy. Alright, here, Speedy. Let me know how this one is. I don't know, the color's a little off, Speedy. It may not be one of the best ones. He'll let me know. He'll drop it if it's no good. Yep, he dropped it. Alright, sorry, Speedy. Yeah, come here. Come here, Speedy. Come here. Yeah. Alright, that's a good one. There you go. He's taking that one home. Speedy's a regular here. Everybody is out and about. They're all starting to make their way over. Find your way around the squirrel tribe. Oh, look at all these little ones. Everybody's popping out now. Alright guys, I gotta get ready. Everybody is relaxing, eating, birds are chirping, everybody's happy. That's the way we like it here. Alright guys, you have a great day. Happy Hump Day. It is Wednesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look at all, every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got lots of squirrels here. Birds and everything. You guys have a great day.